Alright, as we have seen in our previous videos, Nissan, all the other vehicles, the Ford and everything. Now, Kia has come up with its own powertrain. Yeah. That's a powertrain of Kia. That's the battery pack and the motors. I'm going to give you a close-up look of that. And Kia has come up with the EV concept car. Oh yes, and it's over there, right there. I'm going to show you. Let's continue the video. This is a base of Kia. Alright, that's a motor. Okay, a battery pack and the motor. I think it's a dual motor setup. You can see. Okay. And here comes Kia EV6. Kia EV6. You can see. That's how the doors open. Here is the charging spot, the charging port. That's the battery levels. Okay, and this is how it opens. Press this and this. It's simple and lock and done. That's it. This is the interior. This is the front. The moment we all are waiting for, the Kia concept EV9. Yes, there is a concept car. Here is a Kia EV9, the concept electric car. It's huge. Just check out the length of this. It's big. Interior, I guess if you guys can see it. Wheels. That's the behind. Wow. This concept car looks so cool. There's another vehicle of Kia here. Another Kia over here. Kia EV6 GT line. Alright. It looks so good under the roof. Under the lighting. Here are some Kia merchandise.